Introducing the 2019 Jeep Compass. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, power liftgate, remote engine start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls. Don't settle for average when you can have excellent. Drive the Compass.